Hi to everyone. My name is Kishore. I am working as an assistant professor in BVRIT, Narsapur. Present, I am going to explain about computer communication network subject. Let's start the session today. I am going to overview and introduction about computer communication network and a few topics of initial unit. Okay. So these are the points I am going to discuss about. So before going to that, I will explain what is the computer communication network or computer networks. So both are same, but it is depend upon communication oriented and as well network establishment. Okay, so what is a computer network means? It is a two or more computers will be interconnected and exchange the data. It's called computer network. So not only for two, it is a two or more computers will be interconnected and exchange the data. So that's called computer network. Why it is used means we can establish the our network transmitting and receiving initially from here to many areas and global wise also we can communicate. So that purpose they are using the computer networks. Okay, so these are the key points I am going to explain. So definition of the computer networks and types of computer networks and applications of networks and network topology, networking media and networking devices and computers like client and server relation and network protocols like TCP IP. Okay, so these are the content I am going to discuss. So first already we discussed about what is the definition of the computer networks. So two or more computers will be interconnected and as well as it will be exchange the data. So interconnection means there is a many type of interconnections is there. It is wired and wireless also there. So based on that also it's called different type of network types. So what are the types will be divided? It is based on the area. So based on the area also it is classified and as well as what is the geographical area will be covered, how much it is the particular network that will be classified. So one more thing is it is wired or wireless. So that two type of classification is there in types of computer networks. We will see detailedly one by one. So computer network. So computers network connected two or more computers autonomously and it will can be geographically located anywhere. So anywhere. So suppose this network will be connected. It is the representation of the switch. Representation of the switch. So this switch will be connected to server. This is called server. This is called server. These all will be systems. Computers will be connected. So data will be exchanged between server and all computers. So this process is called computer network. Okay. So coming to what is the types of networks? So types of networks, it is based on the networking is small geographical area or large geographical area based, it will be classified. Especially geographical area is very important in the classification of or types of networks. So types of networks. So coming to the types of networks, it is classified mainly three types. So first one is the LAN and second one is the MAN and third one is the WAN. So first one is the local area network. So it is the local area network and second one is the MAN, metropolitan cities covering area, and third one is it is a wide area network, otherwise worldwide it is covering. Okay, so in the LAN it is small area, small geographical area will be covered. It's called local area network. Suppose particular room or building or campus. So in particularly we have the labs for a different computer laboratory. In that 36 systems will be connected LAN oriented only. So it will be using Ethernet cable. Okay, coming to the network is in a city is called metropolitan area networks. So MAN network. So okay, metropolitan cities will be connected for particular network in a network and exchanging the data will be going to process. Coming to the network spread geographically all over country across the global is called wide area network. It's called WAN. Okay. So coming to the applications, why it is required to network and network sharing and as well as computer networks. So first application is the resource sharing. So resource sharing from hardware or software, any type of resource, we can share the information from here to somewhere geographically. It is main resource sharing purpose we are using the computer networks. Okay, so hardware means example computing the resources like disks and printers like that. Suppose we can print from here to somewhere else, other block or other department or other building related printer we can access by network sharing. So we require that particular PC, a particular printer connected device, IP address or user ID or network ID. So based on that we can share the information, we can give the print option from here to there. Okay, so coming to the software, it is the application software. So like exchange the data. Suppose I need to post my social media networks example, so I can post my status or everything information, it will be spread all over. So everyone, so example Facebook, I am posting the information in the network of social network in the Facebook. So any one of the my friend can see about my status and what is my sharing opinion, everything they can watch. It is video or audio, image, any type of information. So like that, social network sharing applications. Okay, so information sharing, easy, essential from anywhere. So files or data we can share from here to anywhere based on the network. And search capability, we already know about www or http. It is a web page oriented, so we can browse from anywhere to particular website information or particular company information from anywhere by using www. Okay, so communication oriented, especially email and message broadcasting. So email, suppose I can send anywhere, any country of person, I need that particular person mail ID, I can send information, my biodata, images, videos, anything, any type of link, I can share it. And message broadcasting, we can send the messages and we can mutually chat individually and grouply we can chat, group chatting also, group discussion also, it will be possible based on the communication. First one is the resource sharing and information sharing and communication, these are the applications. And remote computing, we can operate from here to anywhere network, we can share the information, we can collect the information like that. And distributed processing, so we can distribute the information from here to many networks. Okay, these are the applications of networks. We have number of applications, these are the main important applications, we can elaborately discuss about number of. Okay, so coming to the next topic is the topology. So network topology, so coming to the computer network, we mainly focus on in the first unit. First one is the definition, second thing is the types of network, it is geographically divided into 3 or 4 types. And again coming to the network topology nothing but it is a connection oriented. So we are already discussed in the definition. So it is 2 or more computers or devices will be interconnected, so interconnected related, it's called topology. So we are connecting the multiple devices, but which type of connections we are providing, which oriented sharing network we are providing, that is a discussing in the topology networking. Okay, so network topology, the network topology defines the which way in the which computers, printers or other devices, so any device, not only computers, any type of device are connected, so it will be connected compulsory, it should be connected to each other. And the network topology describes the layout of the wire and devices are will be path used by data transmission. So compulsory it will be connected means definitely we are using the data sharing purpose, the transmitting purpose or receiving purpose. Okay. So data transmission oriented. So how it will be transmitting, how it will be receiving. So that path oriented will be discussed in the topology. So coming to network topology, it is classified into five types. Okay. First one is the bus topology, and second one is the ring topology, and third one is the star topology, and fourth one is the it is a called extended star means it will be mostly elaborating tree version. It another name is the tree topology. Okay, tree topology and mesh topology. So it is a fourth and it is a fifth. So mesh topology. So we will discuss individually what is a topology, how it will be connected, how it will be going to share the information. Okay. So coming to the bus topology. So in this bus topology, it is a linear bus. It is a reference to be linear bus, and devices will be connected. All devices connected by one linear particular bus. It is called bus. Linear bus. Okay. So in this particular bus, all devices, it is a device 1, device 2, device 3, device 4, all will be connected. So this is a single cable connected or single path connected. It's called bus topology. So suppose I need to transmit from 1 to 3. So compulsory bus will be should be ideal condition. Ideal. Okay. So 1 to 3 means compulsory. Remaining all nodes or all devices or all computers will be must ideal condition. Means if one or two devices at a time it will be sending the information, means automatically it will be going to collide. So that's why there is a major disadvantage is the collide option. Okay. Let's see another one. It is a star and tree topology. So coming to the star means we have the central sharing unit. So it is a central sharing unit. It will be distribute remaining all nodes. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So from here anywhere to anywhere. So from 6 to 4 or 6 to 3, 1 to 5 and 1 to 4. We need to transmit, mean compulsory it have to visit central node. See, compulsory it is the central node communication. All nodes will be connected directly to the central node. That's why it's called star topology. So coming to the star topology again, it will be extended version means it is going to tree. So 1 to many extended. So 1 to 2 again remaining. So it is 1 to 2 again 2 to again it will be split. So it expanded like tree branches. That's why it's called tree topology. Okay. Coming to the ring topology. It is all will be connected in the circle way. It is again classified into two types, single ring or double ring. So in single ring, it is a token passing method. So means it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Assume it is 8. 8 nodes will be connected in the cyclic way. Compulsory it is I am sending one packet to the one node or one device. It passing to the 2 or either 8 clockwise or anti-clockwise. We have to define that. So it will be passing from one network, one system to another system. There is a no central distribution. If it is any network connection between the nodes will be disturbed, automatically ring network will be going to fail. It not passing to another node, automatically total network will be disturbed. That is the main disadvantage. Okay. So double ring means if you observe in the diagram, it is two different inner ring and outer ring will be formed, but inner ring and outer ring similarity nodes will be connected, interconnected again. Okay, coming to the mesh network, mesh topology. So in mesh topology, whatever number of nodes available in particular network, all nodes will be connected to each other. All nodes will be connected to each other compulsory. So we take 4 nodes also like this. I am drawing here 4 nodes, means it is 1 2 3 4. Assume it is 4 node, it compulsory connected 1 to 2, 1 to 3 compulsory, again 3 to 4. If you verify 1 to 3 to 4 all will be connected, 2 to 1 3 4 will be also connected. So these all will be 1 to 1 and 1 to all, remaining all will be compulsory data exchanging process and connection will be established. This is called mesh topology. Okay, so in this main advantage means any particular network will be network oriented connection will be disturbed. Suppose 1 to 2 connection will be disturbed, we can transmit from 1 to 4 and 2 like this, and 1 3 4 2 like this also we can transmit. There is a no data loss and will be occurred in particular network. That is the main advantage. We have 3 options. So n minus 1, it is means 3. Suppose 4 nodes means 3 possible connections is there. In 3 possible, 1 it is failed, means remaining 2 will be active. We can transmit remaining 2. Okay, so coming to the components, what are the components we are using the network purpose? First one is a physical media and interconnection devices and computers and networking software and applications. Okay, so coming to the physical media, if you physical media means we have number of physical media connections. Suppose example, we can transmit 3 different types of transmission medium. One is the wire connection, wireless oriented and light oriented information we can transmit. Okay, in network media, so it is already we observed in the coaxial cable and twisted pair cables and relevant. So in this we have T type. So physical media we have 3 types. One is the coaxial cable, and the second one is the twisted pair, twisted pair cables, and third one is the optical cable. Okay, these are the 3 we are using the wire oriented transmission media. So if you observe, it is a twisted pair cables. So one is for ground, one is for transmitting receiving purpose. And coaxial cable means there is a shield will be available, particular we have looking like this. Only single lead. So coaxial cable means single lead, it is a transmission media. It is we have the shield, silver shield, netted shield will be available. It is a cover shield with plastic and rubber. So it is a coaxial cable we are using in what is that our home, for particularly dish direct to home service relevant, we are using the coaxial cable. Twisted cables, so we normally use it for PA systems, audio video communication relevant. Present they are using also modern cables, but previously they are using 2 cables for audio video connection. Okay, and optical cable, present we are using the ACT fiber, like that optical communication. It is a light transmission inside. Light information will be transmitted in the optical cable. So these are three are wired oriented. And what is a wireless means? So wireless means we are using the antennas. So antennas, it will be generate the microwave or radio frequency signals. It will be transmitted through air. Okay. So like that we can transmit wire oriented, wireless oriented transmission. Okay. Medium. So coming to the devices, network devices, we are using the hub and switch and routers and wireless access points and modems. So these all will be already watched in particular labs and your home also. Switch is used for only 8 connections, 8 Ethernet connections. So switch, it is used for 8. Suppose it is switch means it is only operating one-to-one communication, medium transmission. Okay. So it will be connected physically. There is no receiving and transmission operation. Just it is the physical connection oriented only. Coming to hub, so it is more than 8 connections we required. We can use the hub. Suppose if you observe in the diagram, it is the hub. Okay, like that it will be 20 or 16 connections will be available, more than 8. So within 8 it is the switch is called, or single also it is also switch called, and more than 8 it we can require means it is a hub. And coming to the router means it is the communication device, networking communication device. Suppose router will be what will be sharing, it is a internet oriented and it is connected to wirelessly through printer and our PC or mobile also. It will be sharing the information and exchanging the information. Okay, router is network to network communication. So network to network connection established purpose, we are using the routers. Wireless access points also, many routers will be, it will be used as a repeaters, it will be act as a wireless access points. Okay, coming to the modem also, it is a network sharing and wireless oriented. So coming to the computers will be connected in two different category. One is the client, another one is the server. So server will be connected surrounding all network oriented devices. So it is computers or devices, anything will be mainly connected to, suppose example we take one computer labs, that 36 system will be connected to our main server. So mainly it will have main server will be main block, and that all systems will be connected, that from there to we are assigning the IP address for each and every system. So if you observe, each client have different type of IP address and MAC address. Okay, so IP address, internet protocol address, and MAC address means physical address. So internet protocol means it is a network address. So MAC means it is a physical address of each device. It is in hexadecimal. So IP address will be taken from 0 to 255 range in IPv4 version. Okay, if you observe means like this, IP means suppose 172.16.1.1, it is the IP address. If you observe, it is we are using the college internet login portal, web portal login access. Okay, so in this it will be, if you convert it is a binary, it represent 8-bit information. Only 72 will be represent 8-bit information. Like example 00, I am not converting, just I am writing that information 00101111. It is a 8 information, 8-bit of information. Okay, So coming to main topic, it is a client and server. So client and server means server will be connected all clients, and client is the end user of like customer. So we are the customers for a main company. So main server will be connected to all client systems. So when we need to any information from another client, compulsory we have to verify with, we get the authentication from server only. Okay. So authentication will be provided from server only. Okay. So coming to the internet protocols, networking protocols, we have the OSI model, OSI model, and another one is the TCP/IP model. So in this OSI model, we have the 7 layers. So in 7 layers, first one is the bottom of layer is the physical layer, and second one is the data link layer, and third one is the network layer, and fourth one is the transportation layer, and fifth one is the session layer and presentation layer and application layer. So these 7 layers will be minimized in the 4 layers. Okay, in these 4 layers. So in network interfacing, we have the physical layer and as well as data link layer. Network layer will be taking care of the network interfacing like source and destination network IP address and as well as header and footer relevant information. And transportation layer will be converted as a segmentations. So information will be converted in the frames that will be converted into segmentations of small parts. Again, that parts will be transmitted in stage by stage. Coming to the next layer is the session layer. After transmission layer, it is used for transporting the information. Same as the session layer will be organized. How to transmit, which packet will be first transmit, which is the second, which is the third, which is the priority. Basically, it will be session will be arranged like event organizer, and presentation layer will be organized. So what is the session layer? We programming everything that will be presented in the sequence by presentation layer. Coming to the application layer, it is in the layer, it is the end user layer. Example, HTTP protocol using and web pages and everything will be available in the applications. Okay, so these are the 4 layers. Particularly we have to discuss these two, TCP and UDP. Clear? So in TCP and UDP, so TCP means transmission control protocol, and UDP means user datagram protocol. So in the user datagram protocol, it is only transmitted to information one to one, and as well as it is a limited transmission area. So coming to TCP, it will be transmit from anywhere to anywhere. Okay, these are the some protocols we are using the network interfacing: internet protocol and ICMP, ARP and RARP and RIP. So RIP means routing interfacing protocol, and ARP address revolution protocol. Like that, ICMP also message oriented protocol. Okay, so coming to the applications. So coming to the applications, we are using the email and searchable data websites, and as well as e-commerce. E-commerce means suppose it is commercially used for electronic advertisements and publicity oriented, and news groups, news oriented sharing network, social media network, or news sharing blogs like that. And internet telemetry, it is means used for video calls and network oriented applications, and video conference. So we can connect from any country of person. We can chat by video conference, WhatsApp call or a Teams call. Okay, chat groups like WhatsApp chat groups and many social media chat groups also there, and instant messages, we can send mails or everything, and internet radios, we can observe live telecasting, live broadcasting relevant informations. Okay, these are the applications.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.